Hello, and welcome to English Listening Podcast. I'm very happy you're here today. In this podcast, we learn English in an easy and effective way. We focus on listening, speaking, and pronunciation. We learn step by step. We learn together. Today, we will practice English with the shadowing technique. Shadowing is a powerful learning technique. First, you listen to the speaker. Then, you repeat the words at the same time or just after the speaker. You do not stop the audio. You do not translate into your language. You just listen. You repeat. You follow the voice. Shadowing helps you speak more naturally. It improves your pronunciation. It helps you think in English. It gives you confidence. Now relax. Open your mind. Let's start our story. Her name is Emma. She is 26 years old. She lives in a small and quiet country. She has a simple life. She works, she reads books, and she dreams about the world. Emma loves learning languages. One day, she travels to another country for a short holiday. She wants to see new places. She wants to practice her English. One afternoon, she goes to a small cafe. The cafe is warm and quiet. She sits alone and drinks her coffee. Then she meets Lucas. Lucas is a foreign man. He is friendly and calm. He smiles at Emma. They start talking. At first, they talk about simple things, about coffee, about travel, about life. They meet again the next day. Then again and again. Every day they talk more. They laugh together. They walk in the city. Emma feels happy and comfortable with him. Slowly, Emma falls in love. Lucas also has strong feelings. He tells Emma about his life. He tells her about his dreams. They feel close to each other. After some months, Lucas asks a big question. Do you want to live in my country with me? Emma feels afraid. This is a big decision. She will leave her family. She will leave her friends. She will start a new life. But she loves Lucas. She trusts him. So she says yes. Emma moves to Lucas's country. Everything is new. New streets, new people, new culture. At first, life is beautiful. They live together in a small apartment. They cook meals together. They watch movies at night. They make plans for the future. Emma learns the language. She tries hard. Lucas helps her. She feels supported. She thinks, I made the right choice. But time changes people. After a while, Lucas becomes different. He is busy all the time. He comes home late. He talks less. Emma feels lonely. She is in a foreign country. She has no close friends. She misses her family. She tries to talk to Lucas, but he says everything is fine. One day, Emma sees something on his phone. A message, then another message. She understands the truth. Lucas is cheating on her. Emma feels shocked. Her heart is broken. She feels pain and sadness. She cries alone. She feels lost. She asks herself many questions. Why did I leave my country? Why did I trust him? Emma makes a strong decision. She packs her bags. She leaves the apartment. She returns to her own country. Back home, Emma starts again. She finds a new job. She focuses on herself. She becomes stronger. Lucas feels empty. After Emma leaves, he understands his mistake. He feels regret every day. He misses her voice. He misses her smile. He knows he was wrong. Months later, Lucas travels to Emma's country. He finds her. He looks nervous and sorry. He says, "I made a big mistake. I hurt you. I want to fix everything." Emma listens quietly. She is calm now. She is not weak anymore. She tells him, love needs trust, and trust is hard to rebuild. Emma takes time. She thinks carefully. Some stories end with love. Some stories end with lessons. Emma learned her value. She learned to be strong. And she learned to choose herself. Thank you for listening to English Listening Podcast. We will meet again in the next episodes to improve our English together. Keep listening, keep practicing. See you in the next episode.